Hey everyone, is your car struggling to shift gears or are you stuck in limp mode? If your check engine light is on and you've scanned the code, P0861 transmission control module communication circuit low, you've come to the right place. This error means the TCM is not sending or receiving the correct signals due to a weak or broken communication circuit. But don't worry, in this video, I'll break down the meaning of P0861, the symptoms, causes, and most importantly, where the key sensors and components are located so you can fix it fast. Let's get started. What is P0861? The P0861 trouble code appears when the PCM powertrain control module detects a low voltage issue in the communication circuit of the transmission control module. This means the TCM isn't able to talk to the PCM properly, which can lead to transmission shifting problems or even complete transmission failure. Common symptoms of P0861: check engine light or transmission warning light, harsh or delayed gear shifts, transmission slipping, stuck in limp mode, and loss of acceleration. Transmission control module, typically found inside or on the side of the transmission housing. It controls shifting and communicates with the PCM. Powertrain control module, usually mounted in the engine bay, near the firewall, or under the dashboard. It communicates with the TCM and controls engine and transmission operations. Transmission range sensor mounted near the transmission shifter linkage, sends gear position signals to the TCM. Transmission wiring harness runs between the TCM, PCM, and various transmission sensors. Battery and ground connections ensure stable voltage supply for electronic components. Common causes include faulty TCM, damaged or corroded wiring and connectors, weak battery voltage, bad PCM or transmission fluid issues. Step 1. Check for loose or corroded wiring. Inspect all TCM and PCM connections. Step 2. Test battery voltage, ensure stable power, 12.6 volts when off, 13.5 volts when running. Step 3. Scan for additional codes that may point to related issues. Step 4. Check transmission fluid condition, change if dirty or low. Step 5. Reset PCM and TCM by disconnecting battery for 10 minutes. Step 6. If necessary, replace the TCM or PCM if the issue persists. The P0861 trouble code means there's a low voltage communication issue between the TCM and PCM. By checking the wiring, battery, and fluid levels, you can fix this issue before it causes major transmission problems. Like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more expert car repair tips.